In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get all documents using AgentBrains in N8n, step by step. If you need to pull in every document from your source and configure exactly what data you want, this quick workflow will help you do it fast and without confusion. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more N8n tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your N8n workflow and go to the Nodes panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you can search for and add different nodes to your automation. In the search bar, type AgentBrains and then select the AgentBrains node from the list. Once you click it, the node will be added to your workflow canvas. Now that the node is in place, the next step is to choose the action you want. In the node settings, look for the option that says Get All Documents. Select that option so the node knows you want to retrieve every available document, rather than just one specific item. This is useful when you want a full dataset, a complete document list, or when you need to pass multiple documents into another step in your workflow. After selecting Get All Documents, you'll see the configuration options for the node. This is where you can decide exactly what you want to pull in and how you want the output to behave. Take a moment to review the available fields and adjust them based on your workflow needs. Depending on your use case, you may want to filter the documents, choose the source, or specify the details you want returned. If there are any parameters related to fields, limits, or output format, set those according to the result you're trying to build. For example, if you only want certain document data to appear downstream, configure the node so it returns only the information you need. That helps keep your workflow cleaner and easier to manage. Once your settings are configured, run the node to test the output. This is an important step because it lets you confirm that AgentBrains is returning all the documents correctly. Check the data structure carefully and make sure the results match what you expected. If something looks off, go back into the configuration and adjust the settings until the output is right. From there, you can connect the AgentBrains node to the next step in your workflow and use the documents however you need. You might pass them into a formatter, save them to another system, or use them in an AI-powered automation. The key is that once you know how to use Get All Documents, you can quickly build workflows that handle document data at scale. So to recap, open the Nodes panel on the right, choose AgentBrains, select Get All Documents, and then configure what you want. That's the full process, and once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes very easy. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more simple N8n walkthroughs, automation tips, and workflow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.